then you could be in violation of the basic speed law. Now, I want to talk to you about why people speed. The main reason people speed is because perceived time savings. They think they're going to get to where they're going a lot faster if they just go faster than everybody else on the road. Now, I'm going to show you something that's going to shock and amaze you. Here's one of the things we're going to be learning today. Two groups were allowed to travel in a study. And this study is done quite often, by the way. Car A, the group in Car A, got to go 45 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour speed limit. Okay? Group B had to maintain the speed limit of 35 miles per hour. Okay. And now this is almost like a math problem, so you got to pay attention, okay? So let me draw this up on the board. They went 10 miles. All right. Let us just say that Mary's driving your car. You got a bus. She's going to drive your bus. We're in a 35 mile per hour zone on a surface street, and Mary's going to drive 45. And she's like jamming. She's listening to like ZZ Top, and she's going 45 miles an hour in a 35 zone. And I'm only going to go 35 and follow you guys, okay? And we're going 10 miles from here to a point 10 miles away on a surface street. Now, here's the big question. How much sooner would you guys get there than me? 10 minutes. 10 minutes, you say? What else? 5 minutes. 8 minutes? You know what the answer is? 90 seconds. A minute and a half. You don't get there any faster. You think you are, but you're not. You know why? Because the lights are synced up for the speed limit, usually by computer. So, if it says 35 miles per hour on the speed limit, that's the speed traffic should flow at. Think about that. So if you're going exactly 35 miles per hour, you catch all the lights green. Okay? Try it one day. Think about that. I had a guy in my class one day, he says, Steve, suppose you go exactly 70 in a 35. Would that work? I said, that might work, but the spirit of the lecture is to leave your house 90 seconds sooner and get there anyway on time. Those of you who think you're great drivers because you can weave in and out of traffic, me, don't use your signal now, me, thinking that you're getting there so much faster, you're not. You're just making everybody else mad. And one final thought about that. Think about this. The last few times you were late to get somewhere and you're like speeding to get there, didn't you catch every single red light? Yes. Isn't it true? Yes. Yes. That always happens. So leave your house just a little bit earlier and don't speed. Validation question number 12 now, D as in dog. Now, they let another group in another survey, they tried it for the highways. They let Group A go 65 miles per hour, and Group B had to go 55 miles per hour, okay? On a highway that was posted for 55. So I'm going to let you speed. You go 65, I'll follow you, and go 55 miles per hour. Just for the survey, they went 1,000 miles. That's a long way. You're going to drive clear into another state. So you go 65, I'll go 55 and follow you. Guess what? The group going 65 over 1,000 miles gets there on an average of 31 minutes sooner. You think you get there so much faster, but you don't. Because every time you get to a reduced speed limit or traffic jam, or you got to stop to get gas because you're burning up so much more gas than I am, or you just go for a rest stop, I'm going to catch up to you. It's like the tortoise and the hare. You keep thinking you're getting there so much faster, and I'm going to keep catching up to you. Think of the last time you've been on a real long road trip. You're going faster than the guy behind you in the red car, the little family? But you keep seeing them, don't you? You can look it up. There's that couple in the red car again. There's that couple in the red car again. Now they have a kid. That's amazing. It's true, though. It doesn't do you any good to speed. So slow down, leave a little bit earlier, you'll relax a lot more, and you'll get there at the same time anyway.